Good morning, students. Our today's chapter is motion of the earth. In the previous class, we have already discussed about our globe, latitude and longitude. Today, we shall briefly discuss about the motion of the earth. The earth has two types of motions. First one is rotation and second one is revolution. What is rotation? The movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. The movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path or orbit is called revolution. The plane formed by the orbit is called the orbital plane. The axis of the earth makes an angle of 66 half degree with its orbital plane. The earth takes about 24 hours to complete one rotation on its axis. The period of rotation is called the earth day. The portion of the earth facing the sun experience day, while the other half away from the sun experience night. The circle that divides the day from the night on the globe is called the circle of illumination. If the earth did not rotate, one half of its facing the sun would always experience day and continuous warmth, while the other half would always be dark and freezing cold. Life would not have been possible in such extreme conditions. Now we shall discuss briefly about the revolution. The earth revolves around the sun in 365 days and 6 hours, or around 1 year. For the sake of the convenience, we consider a year as consisting of 365 days always. 6 hours saved every year are added to make 1 day or 24 hours over a span of 4 years. Thus, every fourth year, February is of 29 days instead of 28 days. A year with 366 days is called a leap year. A year is divided into summer, winter, spring and autumn season. Seasons are caused due to the change in the position of the earth around the sun. The summer solstice, 21st June, the ray of the sun fall directly on the Tropic of Cancer on this day. On this day, it is summer in the northern hemisphere and winter in the southern hemisphere. In the northern hemisphere, 21st June has the longest day and the shortest night. In the southern hemisphere, the nights are longer than the days on this day. Winter solstice, 22nd December. The Tropic of Capricorn received direct ray of the sun as the south poles tilts towards it. On this day, it is winter in the northern hemisphere and summer in the southern hemisphere. On this day, it is longest night and shortest day in the northern hemisphere. In the southern hemisphere, days are longer and nights are shorter. Here we shall discuss about what is equinox. 21st March and 23rd September. The direct ray of the sun fall on the equator. On these 2 days, whole earth experience equal days and equal nights. On 23rd September, it is autumn season in the northern hemisphere and spring season in the southern hemisphere. On 21st March, it is spring season in the northern hemisphere and autumn season in the southern hemisphere. Thus, days and night are caused due to rotation and changes in seasons are caused due to revolution of Earth.